Let's take a minute and see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Good morning.
Morning.
Carmelita and I are on the island of Aruba. For today's On Our Own adventure, we are going to Eagle Beach using the public bus system. Our walk to the public bus station should be less than half a mile or around 3/4 of a kilometer from right here where the cruise boat is docked. We're excited to have you come along with us to see Eagle Beach. It's consistently ranked the most scenic in the Caribbean, and sometimes it's in the top 3 of most scenic beaches in the entire world. It says to town this way, Carmelita.
Yes.
They make it easy for us.
They do, don't they?
Good morning.
Morning.
Right outside the gates, the I Love Aruba sign.
Morning.
Good morning. In a few hours, these shops will all be open and bustling. For now, it's peaceful.
Very peaceful.
All right, we're crossing over the main street. There's Diamonds International. We're going to walk right behind this building to the bus station and get our tickets.
How much are the tickets?
I don't know how much it's going to be.
All right.
It should be a lot less than a taxi.
Yes.
I see the buses, Carmelita. There's the ticket booth right up here in the back of that building. Go up to the window and see how much it is. We're going to buy to the beach with return. So the bus tickets are $5 each with return, so $2.50 each way. The buses run about every 15 minutes. Tickets.
Thanks,
Tickets. They're so pretty, Carmelita.
Yeah.
Got the yellow bus, so you know which one to get on. Eagle Beach?
Eagle Beach. Yeah, that's where we're going.
Thank you.
Thank you. The air conditioning feels nice, Carmelita.
It does.
Eagle Beach should be the first designated beach stop, although the buses will stop at other beaches if you request it. There's the I Love Aruba sign. There's some of the beaches that you could walk to from the cruise port. Looks like a lot of reef though, not much sand, a little bit of sand. This beach looks like it has a lot of sand.
Isn't it fancy?
There's
We're
reef.
walking to it.
Yeah.
Tiki huts.
Reef's a little further out, but definitely a sand beach. We've just got dropped off from the bus at Eagle Beach. We're going to make our way over and see if we can find some chairs and an umbrella. Looks like there's a little bit of natural shade. It's Beautiful, Carmelita.
It is.
Light sand colored. Yeah, Eagle Beach is supposed to be 1.25 miles long, or 2 kilometers. They call it wide. I would call it long. Definitely beautiful. Got here early enough to get some natural shade. We'll have to rent the chairs. I see Carmelita's getting ready to get in the water. One of the nice things about Eagle Beach being 1.2 miles or 2 kilometers long is there's 3 cruise ships in port today, and the beach still feels and looks pretty empty. Looks very clean and beautiful.
Nice sandy bottom. Ooh, it gets deep fast.
A little bit of a drop off. How's it feel, Carmelita? It's gonna be a great beach day, Carmelita.
Yeah.
I think we have till 4:30 today before we have to be on the boat. Here's the ledge. Well, Carmelita and I have had a great time here on Eagle Beach in Aruba. Our On Our Own adventure cost us $5 for the bus with return and $10 per chair, so the whole day cost us $30.
Awesome.
What do you think of the beach, Carmelita?
Beautiful.
And anyway, thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.